வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 8 ஜியோகிராஃபி யூனிட் 6 இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் book exercise question and answer higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, silk weaving and household industries come under the category of dash. Option A, small scale industry. Option B, large scale industry. Option C, marine based industry. Option D, capital intensive industry. The correct answer is option A, small scale industry. Second one, on the basis of ownership, the industry can be divided into dash types. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The correct answer is option C 4. Third one, Amul dairy industry is best example of dash sector. Option A, private sector. Option B, public sector. Option C, cooperative sector. Option D, joint sector. The correct answer is option C, cooperative sector. Fourth one, iron and steel and cement industries are the examples of dash industries. Option A, agro-based. Option B, mineral-based. Option C, forest-based. Option D, marine-based. The correct answer is option B, mineral-based. Fifth one, tertiary activity is divided into dash types. Option A 4, option B 3, option C 2, option D 5. The correct answer is option C 2. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, banking is a dash economic activity. The answer is tertiary. Second one, tertiary activity is divided into dash and dash. Answer is quaternary and quinary. Third one, government decision making process comes under the dash category of tertiary economic activity. Answer is quinary. Fourth one, raw material based prospective cotton textile industry is a dash industry. Answer is agro based. Fifth one, capital required for establishing a large scale industry is more than dash. Answer is 1 crore. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, judicial sector, quinary activity. Number 2, TV telecast, quaternary activity. Number 3, geographical factor, raw materials. Number 4, capital, non-geographical factor. Number 5, Bajaj Auto, private sector. Fourth Roman letter, distinguish between first one, secondary economic activity and tertiary economic activity. Differentiate between second one, agro-based and marine-based industries. Third one, large-scale industries and small-scale industries. Fifth Roman letter, answer briefly. Question number 1, define industry. Second question, what is meant by economic activity? Question number 3, name the major economic activities. Fourth one, what is quinary activity? Elucidate, that is explain with an example. Fifth one, name the factors responsible for the location of industries. Sixth one, write a short note on the following, that is large scale industries and small scale industries. Sixth Roman letter, answer in paragraph. First one, classify and explain the industries based on the source of raw materials. Second one, explain the geographical factors which affect the location of industries. Third one, classify the industries through a flow chart. In text question, higher order thinking question. Find out the reasons for uneven distribution of industries in India. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.